Imagine this. A potential client just reached out, and they want a proposal on their desk by tomorrow morning. You have no template, your energy is low, and that blank screen feels overwhelming. You can actually build a clean, professional proposal in under 10 minutes. By using AI as a structural engine rather than a replacement for your brain, you can move from a cold inquiry to a sent document before your coffee gets cold. Most proposals are rejected because they are self-indulgent. They read like a laundry list of the freelancer's projects, while the client's actual needs are buried under pages of generic fluff. We avoid that by building the entire document around the client's specific problem. By addressing their challenge before you mention your own background, you demonstrate that you are actually listening. This process focuses on presenting a targeted solution. When you stop pitching yourself and start providing a prescription for their pain points, the decision to hire you becomes much easier. ChatGPT is only as effective as the data you feed it. Start with a vague prompt, and the AI fills the gaps with generic corporate jargon that clients spot from a mile away. To get a useful draft, you must gather 3 specific data points. First, note the client's name and business. Second, identify the specific service they requested. Third, define your boundaries, your price range, deliverables, and timeline. Defining these 3 variables forces the AI to write within a factual cage, preventing it from making up details or pricing. This exact structure dictates the AI's behavior. It tells the tool who to act as, who it's writing for, and exactly what tone to use. Take the data from your checklist and map it directly into the bracketed fields. This prompt includes specific formatting instructions, moving logically from the problem statement to the proposed solution, timeline, and finally the investment. Once you hit enter on that prompt, the AI gets to work, generating a complete, formatted first draft in about 30 seconds. Read through the result quickly. At this stage, you are only checking to see if the structure is logical and present. Do not simply copy this and send it. Clients spot raw AI and assume you'll be automated during the project. The AI has served its purpose by removing the friction of the blank page. Now you have a foundation ready for human oversight. Move the text out of the AI window and into your preferred word processor so you can begin the final refinement. Read the draft out loud. This is the fastest way to find robotic phrasing or sentences that are too long for a person to say. Delete overly formal vocabulary. Replace the stiff corporate speak with the conversational tone you use with clients. Check every single number. Ensure pricing, dates, and deliverables match your original checklist exactly. Now, at the most important element. This sentence should offer a nuanced understanding of their specific business. Mention a detail from their website or a goal they shared. This 3-minute window of manual editing provides the final proof of competence. It signals to them that you are a detail-oriented partner, which is the factor that ultimately secures the signature. Your proposal is now highly targeted, accurate, and ready for dispatch. To save time in the future, keep your master prompt in a notes app so you can pull it up the moment a new inquiry hits your inbox. If you don't hear back within a few days, you can use the same AI thread to generate a brief follow-up message based on the data you've already provided. Remember, the goal isn't to let the AI do your job. It's to handle the structural heavy lifting, so you can focus on clarity and the human connection that builds a business. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical workflows. Drop a comment below with the service you offer. We read every single one. See you in the next video.